Hello,
Hello,
my name is Teacher V. What's your name?
my name is Monkey.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
What can you see?
Uh,
I can see
I can see birds, flowers, insects. Uh,
Okay. How many birds are there? There
there
are.
are 2 birds.
How many animals are there?
There are 5 animals.
Are there any insects?
Uh,
Yes.
Yes,
There.
are.
Is there a rainbow?
Yes,
There
there
is.
is.
Is there any rain?
Yes,
No, there
there are.
isn't. No, there isn't. Does he have glasses?
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Does she have red hair?
Yes, he does.
What does he look like?
He
He
has brown chin. He has brown eyes. He has a small nose. He has a brown brown eyes.
Okay. Does he have thick eyebrows?
Yes, yes, he do.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Okay, read the sentence.
This girl,
This girl
yes, these girls have long
hair,
hair. A
fair,
bird is
is
near
near
the
the
child.
chair.
We play
All day,
all day in the summer.
a letter.
A letter is in my box.
That's right. Okay, thank you and see you. Goodbye.